Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take an image and break it up into shapes. When you break an image into shapes, it makes it much easier to draw, just like a complex math problem. If you take it step by step, it's easier to solve. So if you think about these as a step-by-step process, this is a really great way to improve your accuracy when you're trying to draw realistic. We're going to start by looking for the shapes. So you want to look for geometric shapes. So think circle, triangle, rectangle, diamond, all the shapes you know the name of. Organic shapes are shapes that you may not know the name of. They're naturally occurring in nature. Think about it as like a paint spill or the shape of a puddle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by looking for the shapes within the face. And what I see is I have this straight line, and I'm going to use a red marker just so it's easier for you to see on this video. And I see the shape, and I'm going to bring it down, and I kind of see a triangle shape right here. And then this kind of goes up, and it goes across, and back down. So I really have this diamond. From here, I can make it even, I can break down into further shapes, and I can make, and this is almost like a rectangle right here. This kind of goes up. Then for the ears, I have triangles. And you can kind of see how everything fits together better when you break it down. Here I have two lines with a circle on top of it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it below. So I'm practicing breaking down an image into the shapes that I know that I can draw, and then I'm going to draw it myself. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the shape that I see. So I'm going to draw right here. And this is a great way to improve your skills and your accuracy when you're trying to draw from a reference photo. Okay, so this I will actually erase at the end, but for right now I'm going to leave it because I think it provides a good reference. Then I have like these two eyes, and they're almost like half circles on each side, so I'm just going to put like markers where I can go back and do the eyes later. I have a triangle coming up here, a triangle coming from over here. They don't have to be perfect. As you can see, I'm just kind of roughly sketching. But shapes are easy to draw, and everyone feels confident drawing their circles and rectangles. So if you break these pictures into simple shapes that you know you can draw, you become better at drawing. And you want to be really careful. So if you see right here where the line of the neck starts, it's right where the eye is. So I'm going to go right where the eye is, and I'm going to draw this long, almost rectangle going off my page, and it comes right to the mouth. So if you're careful looking and you practice observing what you see better instead of just rushing and thinking oh, the neck, it must be down here, you'll get more accurate drawings. Some hair, and then I can go do my spots. These are those organic shapes that I was talking about. They don't really have a name, but they are a line that makes a closed form or shape. So you can see how these lines create shapes and these shapes create images. And then I'm going to put the nose in and then erase the bottom. Add the eyes. Okay, so you get the idea. So on your on your images that I'm going to give you, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to be breaking down each image into these simple shapes. You can go through and you can add as many details as you want after you get the basic shapes done. So now I'm going to move on to my goldfish. And the goldfish is even easier. What I'm going to do is I have this. I think it's like a leaf shape. I'm sure it has a name that I don't know. Triangle, triangle, triangle. This is lots of triangles. Okay. And I'm not going to actually draw this one for you because I want you guys to get started. But as you can see, all you're doing is you're going through and you're looking for these shapes. And when you find them, you can draw them because everyone can draw circles and rectangles and triangles. So you're just using these shapes that you already know how to draw to create images that you might not know how to draw yet. All right, and there you go.